What's going on? So today we got a video from CK Body Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Nurse Thinks She's Too Important to Be Arrested." Too important? She thinks she's too important, huh? Let's see how this go.
21st, 2025, the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office stopped a woman for speeding 85 miles per hour in a 45 zone. But instead of cooperating, she began arguing with deputies and refused to sign the citation, turning a simple traffic stop into something much worse.
Hello, Deputy Sheriff's Office. The reason why I'm stopping you, had you at 85 miles an hour coming into the 45.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you were at 85 miles an hour, and you actually encroached into the 45 mile an hour zone.
Back there it says 55.
Even if the speed limit back there is 55.
Yeah, that's what I was going on.
No, you're going 85. Yeah, you're cruising. Do you have your license on you?
Sure.
This section now is 45.
Right, because I'm almost home.
Thank you. Everything good with your license? No outstanding tickets or anything like that?
No.
I'll be right with you.
10-4.
Right. Here's your license. Sorry. So this is a citation for that speed, okay? The 85 and the 45. It does
not doing 45.
So with that, you don't get any of the three options. You have to contact this number on the front and schedule a court hearing, okay? It doesn't allow me to give you a fine amount, all right? All I need from you is a signature.
What do you mean?
Deputy, it's right there on the bottom of the citation.
Oh wow, that's see that sounds smooth. You know, smooth, easy. Take your citation. You can fight it in court. There should be no escalation. Sir, have a good day. Bop, ma'am, you have a good day. There should be nothing else going on. Let's see how this escalates, man. Come on, man. Smooth, easy going. I think the cop did good. It's all good. Man, I hope she don't start messing it up.
Right there.
You didn't hear what I asked. Yeah.
You said, what is my name? I said,
No,
it's Deputy.
I did not ask you that.
Okay.
You said that I have to go for a court hearing. I said, what do you mean by that?
It means you got to contact that number and schedule an appearance in front of the judge. The speed is too great for me to issue a fine amount because you're over 30 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Okay.
So all I need is a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to contact that number and schedule a court date. That's all.
I'm not sure if I should sign anything that I'm not
supposed
to.
I'm just going to tell you a refusal to sign a citation is an arrestable offense.
So you're going to arrest me because I do not understand what you're talking about?
I don't understand what you don't know what I'm saying to you. I had your speed at...
Hold on, let me call my...
Okay, so this is the deal. You were doing 85 miles an hour
hold on a second,
and a 45.
sir. I just told you I am making a phone call.
Listen, I'm not here to make phone calls.
Okay, so you want me to sign something that I'm not comfortable with? And then I said, let me
You're signing?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for something that I do not understand why you're going to arrest me for. So I need to call my family member.
You don't have to call your family member.
Yes,
You're an adult.
I do, sir.
No, you don't.
No, yeah, sir.
I'm telling you right now.
Legal right. I have my rights.
Okay,
my rights
driving is a privilege, not a right. We're going to start out with that. So, again, you were doing 85 miles an hour and a posted 45 mile an hour speed limit.
I said I was not. I was 55.
We're not going to argue roadside. That's something that you go to a judge.
Correct.
And in this case, you don't get three options like a normal speed citation. You get the option of calling the number and scheduling a court hearing. At that time, you can make your argument with the judge that you were not speeding. Okay? That's the time that you get to argue. You don't get to argue roadside. Okay?
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are arguing with me.
Okay.
Okay?
So you're going to arrest me because I'm not arguing with you?
I'm not saying you're not. I'm not saying I'm arresting you for not agreeing. I'm saying if you fail to sign a citation, for a court date.
I am picking up the citation. I will go to the court, but I'm not signing something that I do not understand.
Okay. You want my supervisor to explain this to you? He's right behind me.
Do you want me to call my family member? Because it's right on the phone.
Nothing what your family is going to say is going to change what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I would understand them better than you.
Hey, Traffic 6, you want to come over here?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for calling my family member?
I didn't say I was going to arrest you for calling your family member. I said I would arrest you for not signing, saying that you're going to show up to your court date.
You cannot arrest me for that, sir.
I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. He's going to tell you that I can arrest you for not signing the citation.
No, you cannot arrest me for that.
All right.
Damn, oh man. She is gone, boy. Ice ain't gonna like this, boy. Ice ain't gonna like this, boy. Trying to tell you, boy. Oh, man.
It's called failure to sign a summons.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll be right with you.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
You can't leave.
Yes, I can leave.
You want to go to jail today. You want to go to fucking jail today.
Shoot me there. Shoot me.
You want to stop your car and put it in park right now.
Okay.
Get out of the car right now.
I'm not.
Get out of the car.
No, you
Get
cannot.
out of the fucking car.
I'm not.
Hey.
Don't swear at me. Don't swear at me. Do not. You're not, sir.
Hey, stop.
He's not allowed to open my vehicle.
Yes, he is allowed.
No, he's
telling
not.
you, why are you driving away from a traffic stop?
Because I'm talking to him. He walked away from me.
I said
He didn't-
right
No, sir. I was talking to him.
So you would drive
and
away
he-
while he's got your driver's license and all your
He
paperwork?
gave me my driver's license. He gave me my paperwork. And then he told me something that I don't agree with. He said, if you do not agree with that, I said to you, you will go to jail. I said, no. I want to call my family member to see why I'm going to jail for. I'm a citizen in here. What am I going to jail for? You give me a citation, sir. You give me a citation, sir. I said I will comply. I gave you my license and everything. So now you tell me you're going to put me to jail.
So, wait, was it 30 over?
85 and 45.
Okay, so
Sir,
yeah, so...
I was doing 55.
Hey, listen, it doesn't matter if you're doing 55. It doesn't matter. You have to sign that.
Sir.
Yeah, you're not going to sign it, yes or no?
No.
Okay,
And then I will go to the judge.
okay.
I will
Listen,
go to the
do me a favor. No,
Sir.
take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out of
hands
the
on
car.
you.
Step
No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a
Come on,
minute.
is she
Okay,
in
let
court?
me sign the paper.
It's
Let me
too
sign
late,
the paper.
man.
Too late.
Too late. You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to get taken.
It's funny how now you want to sign the paper. Now you want to sign the paper. You had every opportunity to sign the paper. He explained to you it's not an admission of guilt. It's just an admission of, that you received it and you're gonna call the number, yada yada yada. Now that you're gonna get arrested, and now that you see that they're serious and they're already starting to yank you out of the car, now you want to sign the paper. Too late.
It's in about 2 seconds. Step out of the car.
Wait a minute.
You're
Whoa.
going to jail.
Wait a minute. Why y'all doing this?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, wait.
Put your hand behind your back.
Sir, wait a minute.
Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Put your hand behind your back.
This is not right.
10-4-1 detain.
This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. Sir, this is not right.
Okay, you were.
Sir, this is not right. You just
Listen,
punched
you
me in
were
my face.
ordered to. Yeah, he explained.
me in my
Listen
face.
to me. No, nobody punched you in your face. Say so.
So I can
Stop resisting.
I'm not
You're gonna
resisting.
get
You
your
are.
resisting charge.
put your hands behind
Put your hand behind your back.
I am.
I don't. What are you reaching for?
I'm not reaching for anything.
do it. Blue team's on this team. Yep.
You punched me on my face for no reason.
Yeah.
Nobody
Listen,
punched you in
nobody
your face.
punched you.
Okay.
We gave you several
I'm
lawful
recording
orders
this.
to exit. We're recording it too. You were
Okay.
given several lawful orders to exit your vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I told you to step out.
Alright, we're gonna go to the black car.
Can you not push me?
Yeah,
No?
you
Can
are
not
under
push me?
arrest.
Can you not? Can I put my shoes
Sir.
on? Can I put my
I'll
shoes on?
go get your
sir?
shoes.
Yes. I'm gonna take your license.
No. These are my property.
Yes,
This
it's
is
gonna
my
go with
property.
you.
No, I'm putting, sir.
Ma'am,
Sir,
let go
sir,
of your
can I have my
license.
property, sir? Sir.
Hey, let go of it. You're under arrest. You can't have anything. You are under arrest, ma'am. Listen to me. Don't make it any harder than it has to be. You're under arrest. You're going to jail. That's it.
Okay, can I have my wallet?
We will get your wallet.
We'll get all your stuff. Did you make sure she don't? I mean, we can't search it, but.
Wait a minute, what are you doing?
All right.
Why are
Make
you
sure you don't
following
have
me?
any
Why are you
weapons on you.
following me, sir? Why are you touching my boob?
No one's touching you. Have a seat.
Okay, don't push me like that.
No one's pushing
That
you.
was so rude.
No, you were given several orders. You
No,
didn't.
I was
You didn't
not,
comply.
though.
We're gonna
I was not.
seatbelt you, okay?
Don't
Hey,
touch
put your
me,
rear
though.
camera on. Okay, watch. I'm gonna reach over and grab your seatbelt. Put your camera on.
Did you put your camera
Okay.
on when you punched me, though?
Sit back for me, please.
I am sitting back.
Okay, I need to reach around you.
Sir, can you stop pushing me, please?
Where's your? Hold on.
Sir, can you stop pushing
Hey,
me?
is your? You want to hand it to me?
So you don't like black folks, huh? Is that
Why
what
does it have to
is?
be that?
Because I didn't do
Maybe
anything.
my wife is black. How do you not know that?
Like I said,
How
I
do
did
you not know
I
that?
did not do anything
Okay.
for you guys
But
to
why do you
manhandling me like
automatically
that.
assume?
For you to manhandling me like that.
Okay. You were explaining you have to sign the option or it's jail, and
He
you
told
said
me.
no.
He told me that. I said I do not understand what he's saying. I just need somebody to explain to me what he's saying.
I
And then
explained
you
it to you
called
3,
you,
4 times.
push me, punch me on my face, and then put me in here for what? What have I done wrong? Okay, that thing is really tight. It's breaking.
I must have missed the part where she got punched in the face. Like, where'd she make that up at? I must have missed that part. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't see that. Let me know in the comment section if you seen that, 'cause I ain't see that part.
My arm.
It's breaking. Well, sit
No,
back.
the handcuff.
Okay. They're not comfortable. They're not designed to be comfortable.
She was charged with refusing to sign a summons and resisting an officer without violence. If convicted, she faces up to 1 year in jail, 12 months.
All right. I think the cops did. Honestly, he did it by the book. I mean, he explained it to her, ticket, boom, just sign, no problem. I don't see where the cops went wrong. I really don't. I think they were pretty patient. I don't see where I'm giving them a 4. They get a 4 from me. They get a 4. 4 out of 5, man. They did good. You know what I'm saying? They ain't do outstanding, but they did their job. That's it. They did their job, and at the end of the day, that's all you can ask a cop to do, man. Just do your job. Just don't do the extra shit. Just do your job, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.